has feet like this with like little rubber grommets on the bottom. So I made these and printed them up, and they have threads in them. I made these feet to go on to raise it up off the floor, easier to vacuum under, because I do have a dog, so yep. Alright, here is the first version. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a wobble to it, so that's why I made the ones that are threaded. So we'll see how those work out. So this is one of the version 1 feet without the threads, and as you can see, that's how the original feet were, and just one screw in the center. That's the original screw, and I don't have the original feet because I think one broke a long time ago, and I had put something on there temporarily, and now I have these. Alright, I'll get this all mounted up, and we'll see how it stands. It's still got a little